how to set text group messaging to send an SMS reply to all recipients and get individual replies, mass text on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen and open up the text messages app. From here, tap on the profile icon at the top corner. Then we scroll down and tap on messages settings. In here, scroll down and tap on advanced. At the top here, tap on group messaging. So tap on that, and from the pop-up, make sure you select send an SMS reply to all recipients that get individual replies, mass text. The other option is to choose MMS replied. Okay, so select on that and then tap on the back key, and that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.